Antibiotic resistance means that there is an urgent need for new drugs. Despite this, drug development is slow, and often the new drugs are simply versions of the old ones, with relatively minor chemical modifications. This means that it's easier for bacteria to become resistant to the new drugs. But why? We need to talk about shape. In biology, shape is one of the most important factors dictating how biological molecules interact. For example, enzymes can only do their job on molecules with a specific shape. In bacteria, certain enzymes interact with the drug molecules and break them down, which is a major way that bacteria express antibiotic resistance. If we then introduce a new drug which is very similar in shape to previous ones, the bacteria only needs to change the enzyme a bit to be able to break it down. Bacteria can therefore develop resistance against these drugs more easily. But how can we actually make drugs with a different shape? Our answer: by using metals, or precisely, metal compounds. Most drug compounds are organic molecules, meaning they don't contain metals, and are generally quite flat. This is because it's harder to synthesize complicated organic molecules which are more 3D. Conversely, many metal compounds are intrinsically three-dimensional because of the way metals can bond to other atoms. Our goal is to use simple metal compounds as a scaffold on which to build new, structurally diverse drugs, ones that bacteria can't so easily build resistance against. We believe this has the potential to not only create unique and new drugs to combat antibiotic resistance, but to eventually transform medicinal chemistry as a whole.